Only the OG elevator enthusiasts know what was in this same place as this playground 6 years ago in 2015. It's considered one of the most famous hydraulic elevators, or actually oil hydraulic elevators, on YouTube. These elevators replaced them. I have not been on these elevators in 6 years. Let's go up to 2 and listen to the lack of hydraulics. Here we are, 2. Let's go back down to the lower lobby. I am not impressed. Here we are down at the lower lobby. We're going to send this one up to 2. And we're going to try and catch the left one. Six years ago, I gave a very negative review of these elevators. That was recency bias. These elevators are not that bad, but knowing what it replaced, oh my God. All right, let's go up to 2. This is the famous one. Let's quickly head back down to the lower lobby. I'm taking cab view. It is completely dull in here. There's no features. Not even a security camera to keep me on my toes. Here's Roosevelt Field Mall. There goes the other one. There it goes. I'm going to try and take a picture of both of them. There we go. Right here in this playground. I will never forget these elevators. Seriously.